financial market. So globally, financial markets are divided into two parts. One is referred as capital market and second is referred as money market. Now let me ask all of you, how will you differentiate between the capital market and the money market? आपके हिसाब से कैपिटल मार्केट में और मनी मार्केट में क्या फर्क है? Anyone?
मनी मार्केट शेयर मार्केट होगी.
मनी मार्केट शेयर मार्केट होगी. ओके.
नहीं, कैपिटल मार्केट.
कैपिटल मार्केट शेयर मार्केट हो गई.
हाँ.
और लॉन्ग टर्म हो गई. Okay, so friends, remember the difference between the capital market and money market is very simple. Money market is the market for short term securities. और शॉर्ट टर्म सिक्योरिटीज का मतलब क्या है? शॉर्ट टर्म सिक्योरिटीज का मतलब है सिक्योरिटीज विच आर हैविंग ए टेन्योर ऑफ अ पीरियड ऑफ लेस देन 1 year. So that is your all the securities where the tenure is less than 1 year, they will be part of the money market. And all the securities which are having a tenure of more than 1 year, they will be part of the capital market. And I'm sure you can understand, friends, it very well. Capital market का मतलब क्या है? What is capital? Capital is always long term. तो अगर आपको याद होगा जब हम लोगों ने कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड की डेफिनेशन डिस्कस करी तो हमने क्या डिस्कस किया? कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड का मतलब क्या है? ऑल दी लॉन्ग टर्म सोर्सेज. आर यू विद मी? ऑल दी लॉन्ग टर्म सोर्सेज. So that is your capital market. All the long-term sources, capital market. All the long-term instruments, capital market. All the short-term instruments, money market. Now you can also classify different securities based on the tenure and based on the stage of security. So under the tenure, that is term of a security, as we saw a little while ago, so you will have capital market. So in the capital market, all the equity instruments will be part of the capital market. All the equity instruments, all the equity shares will always be part of the capital market because equity is always long term, or rather it is, technically speaking, it is for perpetuity. So you never, nobody issues shares with an objective or with a definition that it would be redeemed after 2 years, 4 years, 5 years. No, equity is always issued for perpetuity. A company can do the buyback, that's a different story altogether. But at the time of issuance, there is no such thought in the mind of the company that they would buy back these shares after a while. So equity, remember friends, is always long term, always long term, always long term. And debt can be long term, can be short term. So debts, different instruments of debt can have different tenure. So some of them can have a tenure of 1 year or less than 1 year. Some of them can have a tenure of more than 1 year, and that is how it is. So long term will fall as part of the capital market, and the short term will fall part of the money market. And depend on the stage also you can classify. So securities, the markets will be primary market and the secondary market. So what is the primary market? Primary market is when the company is issuing the shares or security first time, and these shares and securities are going directly in the hands of the subscriber or the investor or the shareholder. So that's your primary market. Secondary market, now these shares are listed on the stock exchange, and once these shares are listed on the stock exchange, then everybody and anybody can transact in them. That becomes your secondary market. So for the sake of simplicity, the difference between the primary market and the secondary market, the major difference is, in case of primary market, money comes directly into the kitty of the company. In case of secondary market, the company does not get a single paisa out of any transaction that happens in the secondary market. Company is no way concerned with the transactions in the secondary market. Secondary market transactions are between the buyer and the seller. Primary market, company gets the money. So this is the difference between the capital market and the money market, long-term securities and the short-term securities, and primary market and the secondary market. Types of bonds. Now let's understand how many types of bond do we have.